And the emotional freedom technique, EFT, and the meridian tapping, what it is it involves fingertips
Mhm.
tapping on specific acupressure points or meridians while you are addressing your negative emotions, your traumas, negative thought patterns, physical pain. As Susan said, so much more things that you can use EFT in. So what happens is once you are tapping on these endpoints, on the endpoints of these meridians, what it does is it breaks up the bonds and releases that energy that's holding all of the pain, the emotional trauma, the negative beliefs in place. So it's breaking up those bonds. And what that does then is restores balance to the body. And by doing the meridians, you are following pathways and raising your life force energy that we know is ki, chi, or prana in various different countries. So when we have blocked pathways, blocked energy, and we've said this before, what that leads to is dis-ease in the body. And if the dis-ease is there long enough, it can lead to disease. It can lead to mental, physical, and emotional pain. It can lead to all sorts of things that disrupt our lives, our business, our families. So, what the process of EFT is going to teach you is how to restore that balance so that we can lead a much better life.
It is a complicated thing to
Mhm.
think about, especially if you've never thought about, how again how energy interacts with the body and how touch and movement and tapping can interact with that. So
Mhm.
thank you for sharing that beautiful detail.